Happy Thursday, 24th of October, from Källtorp, Södra, this spontaneous nudist beach spot on Källtorp's Sjön, Källtorp Lake in the Nacka Nature Reserve. I am once again visiting this beautiful magical spot on this late October day. The beach right now it is completely empty because of the obvious weather reasons. Despite being sunny, it is still autumn day and we have 13 degrees Celsius in the air, and that is exactly the same like it was last week. I was here 6 days ago to be exact. The sun is up, it is 12 o'clock exactly, and we are ready for another beach adventure with Chris from yet another nude beach spot in Stockholm, Sweden. More specifically, Nacka. This is 10 kilometers exactly to get here. It took me around 24 minutes one way, so what nice ride, and perfect for a quick swim here in the beautiful nature, as obviously the water is cold now. It was 11 degrees last time I was here, and now we're gonna check how much is it currently and if it has been decreased even more than that. So beach day number 182 today is on my Sweden beach adventures, and we continue strong with the beautiful weather. There has been some talks that it's gonna be a bit rainy this weekend, but I don't trust that, because usually when they say it only rains very few drops indeed. So Stockholm is very much spared from the heavy rains, as it is super nice positioned on the Baltic coast on the east, and it is protected from the wind. Well, the city itself, if you go to the sea, it can be blowing winds sometimes, not always though. So off we go with the water measurement device that I have. I'm thinking it's gonna be 10. Yesterday it was 10 at Södra. It is a similar lake like this, and very close by as well. The moment of truth says 11 degrees actually. 11 degrees, so it is actually same like last week indeed. So 11 degrees in the lake, which means that it is time for a swim here in the beautiful nature. And I'm so happy that October offers so great weather that we can continue swimming in the lakes. But soon winter is coming, so let's get mentally prepared for that when it comes indeed. Beautiful nature all around. I have been here a few times this year. Super untouched nature. I have been swimming also over there, but now it was a bit, there was some water floods around that small island over there, so I couldn't get there, so I have just opted to take a swim right here. It is quite convenient. Right, let's get going. Oof, cold. Chilly indeed. Cool I would say, not cold. Cold it will be if it's gonna be below 10. Then it's gonna be start a lot of shivering for myself. But now it is still fine, as it is 13 degrees Celsius outdoors. Alright, so ready, set, go! Very nice. Very nice indeed. So happy and so lucky to receive a leaf in the lake. And beautiful. Look at that. This is worth living for. This beautiful piece of nature to go in for a swim on a late October day like this in Stockholm. Fantastic. So yes, that's a wrap then from Källtorp Södra Nudist beach here from the Nacka nature reserve. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.